Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a door handle spacer on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws on the bottom, securing the inner and outer door assemblies. With the screws unthreaded, you can slide the outer door assembly off of the inner panel and set it aside. Now unthread the screws to release the vent trim and handle from the inner panel. Unthread the door handle mounting screws to remove the handle and spacers. Lift off the spacer you're replacing. Install the new door handle spacer by aligning it on the handle. Now align the trim on the handle and spacers. Then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Align the handle and trim assembly on the inner door panel and secure it with the screws. Slide the outer oven door assembly into position on the inner panel assembly. Thread and tighten the 3 screws at the bottom. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.